You know that awesome story you just posted on Instagram? What if you could share it directly to your WhatsApp status? Well, you can, and there are 2 different ways to do it. Let's dive in. Method number 1 is the quick link. The first way is super fast, but it adds a link to your story inside of the video itself. If you're okay with that, here's what to do. Open the Instagram app and tap on your story in the top left. In the bottom right corner, tap the 3 dots for more. Choose Send To. Select WhatsApp from the options. This will open WhatsApp and let you post the link directly to your status. Method number 2, save and share. If you want the full video or photo to show up on your status, this method is for you. Open your Instagram story. Tap the 3 dots for more in the bottom right. Tap save to download story directly to your phone's camera roll. Once it's saved, just head over to WhatsApp. Tap the camera icon to create a new status. Select the video or photo you just saved from Instagram and post it. And just like that, you've shared your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. Not sure if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp? Check out this video to learn 3 ways to tell if you've been blocked.